Hey, Owen here. Maybe you've been feeling a bit guilty about wanting to buy more kits to add to your ever-growing stash. Well, this is your perfect excuse to buy more kits without feeling guilty. The UK charity Models for Heroes is teaming up with International Scale Modeler, and they're going to be doing a live kit auction on YouTube, and it's going to be amazing. So if you fancy getting your hands on an Eduard kit or an AFV kit, they're among some of the manufacturers who have donated kits towards the event. And you want to know that your money is going towards a brilliant cause, please go to the International Scale Modelers YouTube channel this Friday at 7:30 p.m. And there's a link in the video description, depending on what social media you're on, which you can click to add the event to your calendar. This isn't the first time that the guys have done this. They did one last year, and thanks to the generosity of people like you, they managed to raise a phenomenal £2,500, which for a fairly small charity like Models for Heroes has been transformative. So if you don't know already, Models for Heroes is a UK-based charity, and they work a lot with Help for Heroes, running scale modelling sessions for ex-servicemen and women who are suffering with mental health issues such as like PTSD, and they take along supplies and kits, sit the guys down for a bit and do a bit of scale modelling with them as a form of art therapy. So what this auction is going to help do is raise more money for them so they can buy more kits and materials and supplies to provide the veterans with, so they can continue building models and continue recovering. So it's definitely a very good cause, definitely worth supporting. If you want to learn more about what Models for Heroes do, I interviewed Malcolm, who is the founder of the charity, and there's a link in the cards up there that you can click and you can watch my interview with him. So how it's going to work is basically the guys on the International Scale Modeler channel will be having a live stream. They'll bring up the kit that they're placing up for auction, and there'll be a link to a chat room in which you can place your bids for the kit. All of the kits will be starting at £1, and you'll have only 2 minutes to place your bids and see how much money you can raise for the charity, Models for Heroes. They've got over 50 brilliant kits lined up. As I've already said, some of them have been donated by manufacturers such as Eduard and AFV. Some of them have been very generously donated by scale modelers such as yourselves. So there are going to be models from Airfix, Italeri, Monogram, Takom, Tamiya, the list goes on, and also there'll be a range of different scales and a vast range of vehicles from all historical periods, right up to modern day, including armour, ships, aircraft, cars. And not only will we be doing kits, but there'll also be a few books and other materials as well. So guys, go and check it out because it sounds like it's going to be amazing. You might be wondering, why aren't Models for Heroes just taking the kits and letting the veterans build them? Well, as one of the guys on International Modeler said, if they can take a £20 kit and they can get a bid up to £100 for it, then Models for Heroes will take that £100 and they can buy 5 of the £20 kits with that £100 donation. So they can increase the amount of kits that they've got. I'd really appreciate it if you shared the news online and encourage people to get involved. That's why I'm making this video, is I thought it's a good cause and it needs supporting and people need to know about it, so I'm making this video. But yeah, let's try and raise as much money as possible for Models for Heroes, because I know that Malcolm and the rest of the gang would really, really appreciate that. And I know the veterans as well definitely benefit from it so much, so it's such a brilliant cause to support. Definitely go for it, guys. If you can be there at 7:30 p.m. UK time on the International Scale Modelers channel, that would be brilliant. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. I'll do my best to answer them all. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share the news, and I'll see you next time.